I'm going to show you how to make my new and improved banging butter chicken curry 2.0.
Make sure to like this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
For this recipe, you will need some garlic and ginger paste, salt, diced onion, some mixed curry powder, tandoori masala, dried fenugreek leaves, some sugar, tomato puree which has been mixed with water, my famous curry-based gravy, some evaporated milk, and finally some butter. After all, this is a butter chicken. Melt some ghee in a pan, then fry the finely diced onion along with the garlic and ginger paste and a good pinch of salt for 3 to 4 minutes or until softened. Take your time over this as you don't want to burn the onions. Sprinkle some sugar into the pan along with my mixed curry powder, tandoori masala and some dried fenugreek leaves, and then fry for another minute. My mixed powder is a blend of garam masala, curry powder, turmeric, cumin, coriander and paprika. You can find the full link to this recipe along with any of the others you may need down in the caption. You will also find a link to my curry-based gravy. This is the secret of cooking British Indian restaurant style curry at home. And now it's time for the liquids. So pour in some tomato puree which has been mixed with boiling water, and then my curry-based gravy, which I make ahead of time ready to use when I'm cooking British Indian restaurant style curries like this. In goes the evaporated milk. Some places use cream, however, for a more authentic restaurant-style curry, next time you're in a supermarket, grab yourself a tin of evaporated milk. At this stage, you can choose to add a little bit more water to loosen up the sauce. When I make my batch of base gravy, I purposely don't add as much water as it takes up more space in the freezer. Once this comes up to a simmer, it's time to add in the butter and the chicken tikka, which you can cook to perfection on your barbecue or in your air fryer. Again, you can find this recipe linked down in the caption. I'm giving you all of the tools you need to make British Indian restaurant style curry at home. What's your favourite curry? Let me know in the comments. And please remember to subscribe to this channel and like the video as it really helps with the reach. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments, but trust me, this was banging!